There was one time I was deep in Jukulin TV
Sure.
last year. I had gunshots and yeah, when I wake up in the morning there was blood there and there were a lot of police.
Bakhawate umntwana bamtampela near cemetery. Bamtampela khona lapha. Sometimes it's very hard ukuthi sithole imisebenzi
Yeah.
ngoba siphuma ejukuleni.
Sup bafethu, welcome to our new podcast Ilaqhuzu. With me we have Usizwe Ungutshani Majojo Majalili ngubembathe ebusingasehlobo bafethu. This is a new podcast that is meant to inform, educate and teach the youngsters abaphume emakasi and how to go about surviving there because ngiyazi ukuthi difficult kunzima ziyabuya la. Today namhlanje ngihambi ngedwa. Uyazi ngihlezi ngihamba with a guest. Definitely the guest will introduce himself, what it's all about. All I know, this guy is from Esosha, grew up there, and he understands everything about Jukulane. And you know, when you speak about Jukulane, people will tell you that's the most dangerous township, one of the most dangerous townships, Kasi, South Africa, comparing to Cape Town. The Ilanga, Inyanga, Guguletu, and so on and so forth. But today we are here to dissect impilo yasekasi, Esosha, Jukulane, ukuthi injani. With me right now I have my brother Uzos introduce ukuthi ubani and what is here to dissect. My brother, how's it?
Sharp.
Yeah. Ngicela usilujuza manje emakhaya abantu bangakwazi ukuthi ungubani and what are you on about?
Ababukeli emakhaya mina igama ngu Face Off. Mina ngitume music, ngitume production, I'm a DJ, ngiphume Esosha, eJukulane, Block MM.
Yeah.
Yeah, lazishuba khona.
Overemphasize that.
Yeah.
Jukulane, the most dangerous.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. No, ngik-invite la because now first time moving Pretoria. Mina, I'm from Mpumalanga originally. Standerton. Gaslam 2430. They know. So first time coming to a Pretoria, I saw a beautiful place, Esosha. I said, yeah, this is a beautiful place. I will reside here because Semezela is Centurion, right? So each of the bus, Iafika Esosha, and said, nah, it's 2.5, it's reasonable, it's beautiful, everything is there. You know, and all that. Then later on, about a week or two, Espanini, but the Jukulane. TV, but you know, my brother Sugalap. But you Sugalap, that's the most dangerous a place you can live in. Why you choose that place? But I saw it go Facebook Market and I was interested to the place and it was very enticing for that matter. Yeah. So I moved there. Then later on, Jukulane, but I stayed there for a year.
Yeah.
And there was nothing, man, in trouble at that particular moment because I was minding my own business. I was not asking scheme abantu angamelanga baskime bengahambe ebusuku and I was fine with that. Ngitshele man, growing up Soshanguve with that stigma ukuthi it's dangerous. How is it?
Yo, it's very tough, my brother.
Yeah.
Masikhula vele besingazi ukuthi ikasi into enjani, skiphani. Till now masicala ukubona ukuthi la ikasi akumnandi.
Yeah.
For youngsters, especially for youngsters, like Tina senze music, akumnandi. Ziyabuye guys. Tina samba masuku bro wami. Samba masuku siyamagigini siyalwelo yabona. So it sometimes bafika bafana abancane vele. Ikasi. And leya vele idume ngezinto ezibad. Yabona. So my brother like manje bengicela ukuthi ngikhulume ngesikasi.
Shaiskasi, yeah. But okay, this is a channel whereby you express yourself in any language whatsoever. Sure. Whether you share Pitoli, whether you share Sosha, whether you share Soweto, whether you share anything, English is allowed. Shaiskasako prayer, so that we can understand and hear.
Bengsasho. Prayer kwakukasi kwa ohanyiwa. Yona kipleke nice. But then sometimes in a lower bed. Cause like dilo tse dintsi tse di diragalang go kasi di bad moutha kasi as social as pleke dangerous go ne le di-scene tse rong hantšhe di iragala di kgone go iragala le tse Mabopane or maybe in Rankua, and then ba fitlha ba ira it's like dumping ba fitlha ba dampela whatever e ne ba ira ba dropa ko kasi mara yona itseng a place ziyakhipha umnandi ke ntho e le reng ko pele ko kasi ba e rata thata byala everything.
Yeah.
Yes.
A follow-up question from me. I don't want you to project it as a good place because I have my own experiences there.
Sure.
There was one time I was deep into Juguling TV.
Sure.
Last year. I had gunshots and yeah, when I wake up in the morning there was blood there and there were a lot of police. Ngifuna uyisho le ndaba le ukuthi we overemphasize ukuthi isosha, where are those blocks where la ubona khona ukuthi la siyabuya la, because there are blocks aniti, there are block A, no there is no social, the block TV, block Y, PY, is SS is part of social.
Yes.
Yeah.
Even
So-
AA.
No ways, my bro.
Exactly.
No ways. AA, PP, they consider themselves as those.
It's social
Even
groove.
DD.
It's social groove.
Is it?
Yes.
So which one you can identify ukuthi those are the hotspot whereby, yeah, if I'm ebusuku uzokhawatheka.
The hotspot zona I can say you can name them, not all of social.
Yeah.
When they say Jugu Lane, that's where the danger begins. That's where the danger is. Block P, Block Y,
Yeah.
R, X, some part of Block SS. Because some of them, you can't tell where they're from. But then, like a Jugu Lane, like a Block P, Block Y, Block R, Block X, TV.
TV.
Yes.
Even TV. It's
Exactly.
better. Can we consider it better?
Yeah, we
compared
can
to the
say
other
it's
ones?
better, but then abantu bakhona ngeke ubajambe ukuthi lo uyenza so.
Is it true that someone from SS can go ayoganga PY, then do everything bad there, then leave everything there, then come back SS, then they will look at PY as the most dangerous? Yenze?
Yes, yenzeka.
Yeah.
Because I don't remember ngathi last year bakhawate umntwana bamtampela near cemetery bamtampela khona lapha
Symmetry ngale ngase
ama
X.
block Y.
Why?
It's block Y, but then you can say block X ngoba
yeah.
indlela kuphela.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Istory mesiphuma bari motho Winterfeld. Bambiza ngamagama bathi ubani uphuma Winterfeld. So you see ukuthi kusasa re bona block MM or Jugu Lane, the way it's called Jugu Lane, re bona as like a bed. So that's the flop. Flop ke yona eo mokasi ya hore kantlele awurobadiwe man. Awuna muzulu gore kukasi awuna muzulu, I won't lie. Awuna muzulu, you can't say I'm selling this. No. There is competition too much.
Yeah. Before we continue with that, if we deviate a bit, just a bit, does it affect you, your career-wise, when you apply for serious jobs? When they look at your CVs, it's social move, blog, this is Jugu Lane. No.
I can say yes. Because even like mengizala or mhlawumbe ngiphume lapha eSosha ngiya ku let's say Joburg ngene eJozi ebruru wena ubuya kuphi mina ngibuye eJugu Lane bro wami le ndawo dangerous abantu bayangisaba
Yeah. Yeah.
for the fact that ngiphume eJugu Lane You see? So I can say yes from the question you've asked me, my brother. Sometimes it's very hard ukuthi sithole imisebenzi
Yeah.
ngoba siphuma ejuguleni. Chukuthi mofika, you then have to specify the name juguleni.
True.
Company or get a block MM or get a block P, but then most we know ukuthi block P iphumile izindabeni. Ama podcast amaningi aphuma juguleni.
Yep.
Kuyanyiwa lapha.
Well, when I was told Mangfiga, then my colleagues tell me, "Guti, social move Jugulen, no, you need to move there." Then I went online. Definitely, I searched. Guti, kanti le Jugulen le dumengan. When I searched, I got so bad reviews about the place. You know, bad stories. You know, reporting. Jugulen, so many people have been killed. Jugulen, that this happened. Jugulen, no. So abantu bakhona bathathu serious. I can put it that way, you know. And even Espanini, there was a point whereby I've been stigmatized myself. Ahujugulain, I was called that. Ahujugulain, you know. And it's like we are degraded.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you are degraded, some sort of. And yeah, I had to wake my socks up and make sure that my name is restored because I have to make a mark. Already, already was considered somehow inferior compared to others when have to be placed in some duties at some point. So I'm asking that question. It emanates from somewhere because I know how it feels. I was stigmatized with that. With someone from Jukulin, you can't trust, and they won't give you their full potential at some point. So that's why I'm asking, would it affect you? At some point, I changed my CV. I was reading my my address. I changed it. Kapala Pretoria. My friend gave me something as a Pretoria. So in because it affects you at some point. So that's why I asked that question. Would I affect you? Moving right along. After that, I want to ask you because when did you realize you would know Likas Lilman? Ziabuya, because ukulele ko now kichima la, and you don't care as a kid, you know, you just run around. But there's a point actually you would know, man. The age actually you would know, man. This guy's as key pillar. There are things happening here, and we hear one also cooler. We hear what's cool music.
Sure. Leo, menginza grade 10, which was 2017.
Yeah.
My first year at grade 10. Yo. Mo ke boneng hore mo ka simo if out tlhokomele o ya le strata if boys bathi siya le siyozula umzulu wangale ukuthi ungena ngapha uJonje kona umzulu lentengo kasi wanhlalwane so since from grade 10 ke mo ke jumpile hore kasi siyona bila nna ikfetsa zgila ikfetsa tswara matric wa ka chiefta mo kasi Itabona or go guy, but then Mogasi as more like Kilonyo give successful, Gil Mogasi. And Naboma Kuyabazi. It's not easy, my brother. It's not.
It's never easy.
Yeah, Motala in the winning J Yokfananalia. Chuti, I wanna move about Zensiras.
Yeah.
Kore lino hebatum, let's take a Gautalusi Zore. Umbudise braya go tlago ya nna ke tla Juguleni so ke mo tloring o bona ngare like maybe ke tswere sthunya ke ntse bjana ke tswere sthunya nga no ntsa sthunya ka fitla ga leropa gare
anything is possible.
You see so no man.
So follow-up question from that, and you wanted to see yourself out of that place, but now you are there, you are doing your craft, you are gifted with this thing, DJing and making music, being a producer. Your craft, you are doing it still a cast. You're not out of the cast. What holds you back from moving away from a cast? You know, what cast Linjan?
Yes. I must say unemployment, bro. I want to find financial status, yes, bulala. Cause I have goals that I want to reach. Yeah, bon. So, ngisasegasi. The reason why ngisasegasi is because ngisalwela ukuthi ngikhona ukuphume kasi. Okay, I can go out. Ngiyophuma ngiyakuphi? Ngaya, I don't mind ukuthi ngiphume ekasi ngiye somewhere ngiyorenta. But then I don't have basic salary. Unemployment rate is too high. So iyo lento ingholdang ke yona into yantshwarela lori ke nyako chiefta ku kasi. Yes, that's my wish ukuthi ngiphume kasi. But then ngiyophuma ngiyakuphi?
Yeah.
Exactly.
So when you saw it befitting for you, Uguti, let me just do my craft here rather than doing crime. Because now you are easily influenced. Ubona this thing every day. I mean,
Exactly.
But Bangandi moto. I remember when I bought my car, my parents said, "You will be lucky if the car I harm in within 6 months." I said to them, it is what it is.
Yeah,
if God says the car is will last us 6 months here, then it's will harm, but then it will happen. I have no powers to stop that. But here I'm gonna stay because I can't afford a place. Centurion, where I work, I can't afford a place. Pretoria, very much expensive. A social I can afford. Timaupan I can afford. Then I remain there, and after a year and a couple of months now, the car is still intact. Gibega anywhere I want to, then I do whatever I do. I'm no longer living in fear. I remember when after buying it 3 months, I was living in fear. Every time I had to galazi ukuthi ubani ozayo before ngizophuma and all those things. But you know, I ngifundisa ukuthi let me just live freely, and yeah, whatever happen will happen.
Yes, that's how it is. Most ekasi vele fanele usiphathe njengabanye. Like wena angithi akusikudala ufikile kasi. Exactly. You have to be like others. Not like, I'm not saying you have to adapt imikhwa yabo or the way they live, but then fanele uphilisane nabo. Abomakhelwane movuka ekuseni ubona umakhelwane uyambulisa. Hayi makhi.
If I don't do that,
Bazokubona ngathi wena uzenza better wena.
bese ba orchestrate, ba organize.
Yes. Angithi evile mengikhuluma kanjena Abraham. Umakhi wami lapha in my next door. Anyeke ngikhulume ukuthi my next door.
Yeah.
Ubaba lo yaman uthanda ukushaya abantwana. Akusikudala afikile kasi. Uthanda ukushaya abantwana mabadlala mhlawumbe badlala ibhola bestradeni. Ibhola mengena phakathi ethathu yahlaba. So mina angazi ukuthi bebamtargetile or kanjani. Niningi ubethile ngwana bathu kwayo. Babashaya iwizile.
Mob justice.
Community baba. Bathi wizile. Bantu bagcwele egate. Bafuna ukumshaya. Why? Yena abantwana bakhe abaphumi ngejarata. Which is nice.
Yeah.
For abantwana ngithi you have to save your children. Khona ufike endaweni anyeke uyeka abantwana bagcwele idrate nothat bantwana. So umakhelwane bebafuna ukumshaya bro. Ngoba yena akabulisi.
Yeah.
Next.
Do you think this thing was pre-planned? Ukuthi if athinta umntwana shaya impempe siyaphuma.
That's how I feel. Ke ka mkhona ke bona ka deng gore ne ba motargetile or I read something says bad. And that's normally o ka senya go senyehelo ka mojarateng batho bana ba dala go ka dibolo go strateng ba ra ha bolo tsene to le festere. Wa bona ka o sane ba ka se even lo ka tswa isa molato go motsweding ka se fitla go for tswara lokela le festere.
Yeah.
Ba tla go tsore ke taba tsa bana tswa da. Na mara ne ke sa mmone wrong mara nna ka mkho ke bonang the whole situation the way it happened ngathi be ba msetapile be ba mokatile kuthi ayenze something esincane.
If initiatives like that zempempe zikhona but crime is still continuing, do you think isebenziswa endaweni wrong? I mean, the crime there is huge.
Yeah.
But they have this initiative yempempe.
Yeah. Yazi ukuthi leyo isebenza njani ne bro wami. Habe uyizi hore kandlele endleke wherever where there is crime. Example abantu mebangena anyeke bangene empty handed, bangena ngeimpamu whatever weapons they had, you see. So he batla go wena chance ya hore bethe mpempe e ka sebele ya ba ka o sata gore ka ntle you have to cooperate. He ba fitlhile ba nyaka whatever ba nyakang, just give them, don't argue with them, don't gore o sa ya godimo le go tlase. You just give them what they want, then that way I can promise you will be safe.
Be safe. Mangfika lapho, someone said to me, I don't know how true is that. Most felons, criminals,
Sure.
Abakangai, they emanate. They're coming from Prussia North. Is it true?
No, I can't say it's true. Abantu abaganga, they are from different locations, ne? And then mina ntho ke itseng ke hore nka se re ke nna go di MM e be ke nyako senya ka mo di MM.
No.
Get my point, ne?
Uzojump ngal SS.
Exactly. Ngizophuma ngiye eMabopane,
Yeah.
ngizophuma ngiye eWinterfell,
Yeah.
mangiceda ngibuye ekhaya. Ekhaya nina ningibona ngimuntu omgrand.
Yeah.
Mara la ngibuya khona izolo ngiyenza izinto eziso so.
Sikubona ushaya expensive watches, ushaya ama haircuts.
Mara angisebenzi. Exactly. Angisebenzi. Mara ngishaya izinto ezitop. Sho ukuthi nawe bro wami usebenza uphethe indlu yakho awusishayi lezi mina ngisishayo.
Yeah.
Yabona?
Yeah.
Specifically you can't say this one is from that place or is from Mabopane or is from where.
Let's move right along. I hope in Cincinnati, lapha emakhaya. Interesting story about Isosha. Jukulane. Very well known for its crimes and shenanigans. Very bad, so to speak, compared to in Abu Cape Town, Nyanga, Ilanga, and all those Gukuletu and all those you can mention. Today, I have my guest here, Uhlala MIMM. It's part of Isosha. It's part of his Jukulane, so to speak. So dissect this thing. Uguti, how is it growing up Sosha and up until today? Because ukule kona, funde kona primary, went to high school there, and now you doing your craft. And you're a better person to tell the story about Isosha as a whole. Because half or more than
Not half,
almost
my life till now where I am right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll find now figures orders. Let's move to your craft. I know you're doing DJing and you're a producer and all those things. So I can tell.
Sure.
Ubonani ebusuku kwenzakalani? I mean the 2000 what can you narrate about stories ubona ebusuku? Because when I'm a DJ I hope you remain sedated, you remain sober, because now you're sebenza. Definitely ubona everything what's happening
Exactly.
there. Yeah. What can you tell in Pilo Sebusuku Minnesota? Because I've never attended one. Because I've heard stories which more man Sebusuku lapha kufika abantu bashaye nje bavulele nje ngenhlava, and I've read stories about that, and that's why given that fear ukuthi angiphume ebusuku and all of that. What can you narrate about ebusuku in Pilo Sebusuku, man, and the 2000s and all that?
What I can say kore uJukulane awuna motho wa motho. Ke ntho mathomo yo. Ke yona tshwantse mo itse hore o sa re ho ne le motho lo re kwena mole, and then hape dilo tse di rahalang bojiu naga e nna ra di bona go di taveneng, guys. Yo gore like bana teenagers. No, I can say I'm a young adult. I'm not longer in a teenager. Teenagers younger than me bahamba nama-Grootman. Yabona ne?
Mali,
yabona. So kukazi kanhlele bushiu hwirahala dilo tse dingwe like a di khatlise. And then nna ke bona everything vele, because when I'm behind the deck I can see everything. yabona. So yeah man, juguleni, the way it's called juguleni like majugujugu. It's like where there's like tlhakatlhakano mo go tlhakatlhakaneng. Yeah, the place yone is very nice. Enele talent there. Like there are many young coming upstairs. There are many.
Yeah.
But then because of the name Jugulane and then Kasi, like Kasi ele nage tlhaloganyo man. Nkare ke influencer yona ka bo yone it's in bad influencer. Kore once o thoma ore ke nna Jugulane nkare o nna le moya o lwa gore yeah, no bana ke fitlhile mo ke yang. And then next.
Can I say it's a surrounding? I mean, if you phila lapho 24/7 and uphila nabantu asenze example, uphila nabantu abakhuluma isingisi 24/7.
Sure.
Niku commune 24/7 you are there. You'll end up now ubuyele emakhaya kanti umZulu straight. So ushaya isingisi here and there. I think the place you're living in end up influencing you at some point.
Exactly.
So ukhulele la, uphile da, ufunda da, everything is there. You'll end up seeing the behavior and nabuchumi la nama sisters who does the same. Uncle wakho Mthembile does the same. So you end up now will be influenced in that. So it's easy for them to, because now you don't see the other side. Exactly. You only see here. You'll be influenced here. You understand?
That's how it is.
It's easy like that.
Shukuthi nami example mangithi umfowethu beka yenza izinto snacks. Mina ngiza kwemuva kakhe. It's easy ukuthi nami ngizenze.
Because umuntu uphila kamnandi ugqoka expensive clothes. Yabona ukuthi
why and lena esemfana high I can see hore my brother he's doing 1 2 3 1 2 3 hore abe sharp. Lena ka osa ne go topona ke li 1 ke ntse fela ke li 1. Ke tlo bona as a better option hore I can do this and do this.
Yeah.
Kuthi ngibe so. Which is wrong.
Yeah.
Which is wrong. Like bafana bakanhleli ama drugs angapha abacabangi next ama drugs abasebenzi hlala emakhoneni hlala amastalekisi umzulo wabo ukuthi sizule ngithi hayi manje ngiright ngizakhona ukuthi lady ngishaye inyana ezithunyana kufanele ukuthi ngibone time amazala ukuthi uphethe ibheke uphethe necruiser ngiyamngena. Yeah, that's the only way mina ngiyibona ngakhona. Umzulu awukho.
Ukheres, will you give it to it distance? I mean, it's very difficult for one akasebenzi kumele travelishe aye Pretoria Central. That's where opportunities are. And awuna data. You seated there, lashisilanga, poverty. What can you think of? You can think of something simple that I can do. What can I do? Phone. Take this phone to serve my craving, because ngena this thing yokubhema and I cannot afford it anymore. I cannot sustain it.
Exactly.
So would you put it to lack of opportunities and the distance where there are opportunities and poverty? Umuntu wanosebenza ekhaya nakhona is not enough. That's what most South Africans are going through. The working class are going through.
And that one is abroad.
Yeah.
Abroad South Africa.
That one is everywhere.
Yeah.
That one is everywhere. Now you end up, and these boys, mabaseba pemile, all these things, aniti abasabluto. Maso high, you can take anything and said. That's why ba shesheba keep ispamba dubule, because now this thing is here, and I want to take this car. Already ngicabanga imali engizoyithola about this car. And you are a resistor. What can I do?
You spend maybe 350 to get that car. Yeah, na magacede kuyithatha ayithengisa. Angathola 5,000.
Yeah. Desperate.
Yes, and it's enough for yena.
Yeah, it's enough. Ingamsustain for isikhathi eside.
Exactly. Uzothenga ukudla ekhaya, yabona.
Ifoni yakho le
It's nice, but then it's wrong. It's nice that you can provide for your family or whoever you stay with. But then for the ones lava wathathele zona le izinto zabo akumnandi.
Bruh, you're touching on something difficult here. But yeah, we can pin it on the government itself right now. The unemployment, youth unemployment, ever escalating, yakula, and all those things.
Yeah.
And now places like Abu Chukulane, Sosha, they're most affected because now with all the youth mostly involved in these things. My brother, now man, thank you so much for coming and to dissect this issue as a social Chukulane.
Sure.
It's much needed. It has to reach the ears, the right ears. What can we do? If you can just give one advice, Guti, the youth right now, to come out of that kasi, ahambe, and further whatever he wants to further, and they want to further their studies and everything. Give one advice, my brother. Sesihamba nje.
Mina i-advice yami ukuthi mawuhlele lapha ekasi ubone ukuthi asikhiphi. Make a plan ukuthi uphume ekasi. Mara ukuphuma kwakho ungaphumi uthi ngiyozula maceda ubuya amazinyo akekho ngoba bakushayile bawufuna ukuzula izinto engizitsedisini right wanhlalo hanje.
Yeah.
So na advice yaka go hore re te tlhokomele ke ntho mathomo gore o te tlhokomele, know your purpose. Ho le mo plekeng o tsene, know your purpose or why o le mo.
Yeah. Thank you so much, man. Above all else, after purpose, first, before purpose, know God. Have a relationship with God, close relationship with God, and God will direct you to your purpose. That's the most important one. Sesihamba nje ngithi bafethu siyabonga ukuthi nihlale nathi la ku podcast yethu iqhuzu la mama. Until next episode bafethu, please subscribe and follow us. Follow me uSizwe Ngutjane Facebook, follow me ku TikTok, follow me on Instagram Sizwe Ngutjane. Yabonga bafethu. Till next time. Sharp that.